Discovered why dogs actually tilt their heads, and it's mind-blowing. Not just for cuteness, they're adjusting their middle ear to better locate sounds. Those adorable head tilts are actually sophisticated sound tracking calculations. When your dog stares at you while pooping, they're not being weird. They're actually looking to you for protection during their most vulnerable moment. It's a survival instinct from their wolf ancestors when pack members watched for predators. That guilty look when they've done something wrong? Pure myth. Studies show dogs display that face in response to your reaction, not because they feel shame. They're reacting to your body language and tone of voice. Your furry friend's behaviors make perfect sense once you understand the science behind them.